This is Kevin from Rock Realty, here to talk about 5 reasons why now is the time to buy a home here in Las Vegas. Number 1, prices are going up. We see here in Las Vegas the market is hot, and that's why now is a good time to buy a house. Number 2, interest rates, they're low. And you know what? That's the best time to buy because that changes the price every month of your house. Number 3, 28.5% below the last peak that happened 12 years ago. So now is a good time to buy because you're getting prices, adding in inflation, 27 or 28.75% lower. Number 4, the demand. Here in Las Vegas, we have almost 3,000, that's 3,000 people moving in a month. What does that mean? Everybody's looking for a house and prices are going up, up and away. From California, they're moving in from the last earthquake. We see the demand is crazy here. And then because of that, rents have gone up 8% in the past 2 months. So here we have 5 good reasons why to buy a house now. If you have questions about finding your dream home, please call me, Kevin Patalas, 385-775-3882, and I can help you get your dream house.